Hi guys, Antoine McBay, Chairman Affiliate with Copyprotraders. I'm excited to finally get a video out to communicate to everyone the updates with CPT. And first, let me just say Happy New Year to everyone. Copyprotraders were celebrating a 1-year anniversary. That's right, 1 year. We did a pre-launch in December of 2020, and then we officially launched January of 2021. And so we are on 1 full year. And I can tell you the platform has grown tremendously in that 1 year. And it is a platform that you and I both know is the right platform in the fact that consumers are not giving their money to anyone. Copyprotraders don't have anyone's money. And simply just through automation and connecting to exchanges through API keys, the consumers can determine their own risk factor by deciding how much they want to trade per trade and following the actual trader. With that being said, coming up with 1 year, I've analyzed the business of where we are and what our vision and plan was. And I got to tell you, we're not where I would desire for us to be, but we're not where we used to be either. We've come a very, very long way. And I've told people before to do what Copyprotraders is doing and building out, it's really not as simple as many people think it is. It's not that simple because you've got thousands and thousands of customers that have their own opinion on what traders should and shouldn't do. And so for the software company and technology, it's all about building a system that allows people like you and I to control our money at all times. So being a chairman affiliate with Copyprotraders, I am not the owner of Copyprotraders. In all actuality, I'm just like you. I am a customer that have followed one trader from day one, and I'm also an affiliate that have built a team. And I've been able to do that because I believe in the system. I believe in the model and the concept of keeping your own money. Regardless if you think CPT is working for you or not, the one thing that one cannot say is that the company has walked away with anyone's money. Because when you are following a trader and that trader buys an asset, even if you walk away with the assets that you have bought. Yes, the market could be down, the value of that asset could be down, but the quantity that you have purchased with your trade, you still have. And so that's the beauty of the model itself. Now, looking at where we are after 1 year, I can honestly tell you we are not where I would have hoped for us to be, but we're not where we used to be either. To do what we've done, as I stated, has not been easy. But man, we've come a long way. And it's at a price point that is not what I call killing everybody, $99. So let's kind of evaluate and talk a little bit about where we are and what has transpired over this 1 year. I know early on we had some difficult times from time to time with the exchange Binance. You know, it was okay at one point, and then there was some errors that was taking place with Binance. And I can report to you that today, all of that has been rectified with Binance.com. Not Binance.us, Binance.com. You can't even use Binance.us with Copyprotraders. So looking at trades over the last 30 days within Binance, they have all been 100%. There's been no errors, none of that, as they have evaluated what the bug was and they have rectified and fixed that bug within Binance. So for those of you that like Binance, so far it's working. 100% it's working. It's accurate, all of that. And then we had a little issues with the zero sale. And finally, the company got around to discovering what was causing that issue, and they resolved that issue. So a lot has happened in terms of build out and making sure that things are still running as smooth as they need to be. And so I'm very, very proud of what they've been able to do. But man, I wish we were a lot further along, but we're not, and that's okay. But the price point of 99 is a great price point. And even right now, with what the company has done in rectifying Binance. That is absolutely amazing. And then the company says, okay, we have heard you from the customer support messages that have come in, and from obviously me screaming from the rooftop as well, saying we need to add a stop loss for the consumers to control. Well, finally, the company has done that. They've added a stop loss where they allow you to control the stop loss and set at 10% or 15% or 20% of your spot trading. We have to do it that way because you got to understand, when a trader is trading for so many followers, not everyone is thinking the way you think. Not everyone wants a stop loss. Everyone is trading a different amount. We've had customers trading anywhere from $30 a trade to $20,000 per trade. And I'm talking USD. And so you've got different types of customers that will say, I don't want a stop loss. I don't want to lose 10% of my $20,000, or I don't want to lose 10% of my $1,000 per trade. And then you got someone who's trading $500 that says, I'm okay with losing 10%. So now they built the software to do exactly what I've always talked about doing, where we as customers have full control of our money at all times. I don't know what's left after all. And if you've ever watched some of the pre-recorded presentations I've done, I've often talked about where, yes, the system is automated and we pay for that automation. However, there are some things that we should want to learn so that we'll know what to do to take control of our money in event something happens with the software. Or in event the trader we're following wants 4%, but I'm okay with 2%. I can get out the market. It's those little small things the power of this software gives us the ability to do. Because remember, they don't have our money. The traders don't know how much we're trading per trade. The traders don't know how much we have in our account. The traders are simply buying and selling. And the software will do exactly what they're telling them to do based on the consumers that are following them. So we have the power and the control. And with the company building that stop loss that allows us to say, okay, I want a 10% stop loss on all my trades moving forward, or 15 or 20%, you have the power and the control. Or you can go into your back office under trade exchange set, not exchange setting, trade history, where it shows you your trades, and you can put a stop loss on individual trades. Man, you gotta like that. Building a system that gives you the power and the flexibility and the control. Now, some of us, man, who were here, from the early stages, we're saying, man, where was that stop loss 6 months ago? Trust me, I understand. Now, I don't use a stop loss. I'm okay with waiting when the market drops. But again, not every customer is trading what I'm trading. Not every customer is doing what I'm doing and living on a cryptocurrency model like I am. And so I get it. So how do we serve the masses? It's simply building the software that allows the consumers to control their money. And that's what Copyprotraders have done. So the way the stop loss works, if you set a 10% stop loss, whatever your buy price is, which you can see it on your exchange, you can see it in your back office, if the market drops 10% below your buy price, it's going to take you out the market, and you actually lose that percentage. It is a actual loss. It's not like holding the asset and the market drops and we're waiting for the market to recover. And when the market recovers, we get out at a 1-2% profit. That's different. If you're getting out using a stop loss, you're actually losing whatever the percentage of that stop loss is that you have set. But you have the option. You don't have to use it, but it's there if you want. Okay, so you've got everything within your power to control your money. And that was the whole purpose of building this software. It's for pro traders and their followers, allowing the consumers to control their money. Don't leave it all on the pro traders. That's my opinion. Not all 1,000%. Take some control of your own money when you want. And maybe even based on what your per trade amount is set, because you can change your per trade amount. Some people are doing, $500 trades, and then they'll all of a sudden up it up when the market drops and do $2,000 or $1,000 trades. They'll double up because the market dropped and they're buying that dip. It's a great concept. I do it. So Those are the things that the company have improved upon, the things that they've added. And then on top of that, they are now running a promotion, which means anyone that you enroll as a new customer into Copyprotraders, they're going to extend your subscription 1 week. So if you enroll 2 people, that's 2 weeks. You enroll 3 people, that's 3 weeks. You enroll 4 people, that's 4 weeks. So for every new subscription customer that you bring into Copyprotraders, they're going to add an additional week, and it happens automatically. You can look on your account in your back office. It will show you your renewal date. And if you enroll a new person, you will see that that renewal date has been extended. That happens automatic, and that's a promotion that the company is running right now. Okay, so Binance is working fine. All right, no more of the little hiccups and issues has been reported. It's been working very, very smoothly. They've been watching it. You have the stop loss now that you can use at your discretion. You can set it on all your trades, or you can actually set it on individual trades. Okay, so you've got the power and the control of your money. They're running the promotion. So every new customer that you enroll, then you get an additional week. All right. So those are the promotion. Those are the things within Copyprotraders. It's at a price point of $99. Some of you are hearing that I am now involved in another trading software platform. And so as opposed to just hearing rumors, I wanted to let you know exactly what's going on and what those differences are and why. First of all, to me, this is about collecting assets, Bitcoin. You know, if we look at the historical run of Bitcoin over the last year from January 2021 up to January 2022, Bitcoin has grown a little over 56, 58% for the year. Okay. So to me, that means we should be collecting it, not necessarily buying it. So if there's an opportunity that is legitimate, that I feel that I can build without people getting hurt and people losing their money or sending their money to a company, then that's what I'm going to do. And I've got that opportunity with Copyprotraders, and now I'm going to leverage another trading platform that has a complete different price point than Copyprotraders. It doesn't mean I'm leaving Copyprotraders, because I'm not leaving Copyprotraders. I still build the business within Copyprotraders. I will still do meetings within Copyprotraders. But the new platform that I'm talking about, it offers something more than what Copyprotraders have. And it's at a higher price point. It's at $179 monthly price point versus Copyprotraders being at a $99 price point. And they have nothing to do with one another. This company is not owned by Copyprotraders, complete different management. But what I like about that software is they have added and will add the BTC pairs, the ETH pairs. Yes, I know I've mentioned that within Copyprotraders, you know, but they haven't gotten around to building it yet. It could happen, but I don't know exactly when. Here, with the new trading software platform that I'm talking about, they are in a pre-launch and people can enroll for free, but when they launch, they will launch with BTC pair trading, ETH pair trading. They will launch with Litecoin and Bitcoin that consumers can use to enroll, and they will pay out their commission in Litecoin and Bitcoin. And at a $179 price point, they're paying out more commission. So it's almost like if you get 3 personal directs, you're pretty much almost going to cover your monthly subscription. You may have to pay an additional $20 or so, but you're very, very close. So it allows them to pay out more money when there's a $179 price point. And so it allows me as a builder to collect what? More Bitcoin, leveraging an opportunity and going after a customer base that's okay with paying the $179 and understand BTC ETH pair trade. It will have the automatic trailing stop loss, all of that, okay? It's also going to pay out 20 levels deep. Now, I'm sharing this with you because there are some leaders within CPT. Some have chosen to also build the new trading software. It's in pre-launch. No one's collecting any money at the moment, but it allows people to enroll for free. And of course, I want to respect everyone's a genealogy. I want to respect the leadership. I've only personally told maybe about 5 or 6 people directly, and those are leaders that I've worked with directly and personally. And so everyone has the option. It's not something you have to do. Again, Copyprotraders are still here. It's not going anywhere. I'm just sharing with you what I'm going to do. Okay. So if you hear the rumor, I'm telling you, you're hearing it from me, but it has nothing to do with Copyprotraders. It's another trading platform that has a higher price point that is offering some things that Copyprotrader does not offer. Also, they're going to have a $69 a month price point, but it's not automated trading. It is trade signals only, which means the consumer would have to initiate the buy order and initiate the sell order of the trade. So they're going to have a $69 price point, $179 price point in that new system. But if you're interested in that, you need to get with your leader that brought you to CPT, and at least out of respect, find out if they're going to get involved with the new trading platform that Antoine is involved in or not. And if they're not, it's okay. And again, I believe that those who are supposed to be with me will be with me, and those who are not will not. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. But I wanted to at least clear any rumors. I wanted you to hear directly from me as opposed to hearing it from someone else. And I'm going to always do my best to operate within integrity. And that's what I'm doing now. So I'm letting you know upfront exactly what's going on. I'm still running CPT. I'm still going to do meetings for CPT. And the new system will have pro traders, no different than CPT has pro traders. Some of them are actually the same pro traders. So they're going to trade for CPT. They're also trading for the new trading software because they're two different entities that have different programs and different price points. Okay. So guys, I wanted to share this information with you, get the information out to you as quickly as I could. I know it's been behind. I've been traveling quite a bit, not only traveling, but also working behind the scenes to get things done. So Copyprotraders, take advantage of the promotion, enroll one person, get a free week, enroll another person, get another free week. And man, you can simply not have a subscription for an extended period of time just by simply building that business and collecting asset, an asset that we know is going to grow in value, Bitcoin. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your patience, and stay tuned. I'm going to put out a schedule of CPT meetings, but I'm on the road traveling at the moment. I will be gone for another 6 days traveling, but I will get that schedule out prior so you know exact days that I'm going to be doing the meetings. Take care, and God bless everyone, and Happy New Year.